In this demonstration we will import and distribute an operating system image. I've come into my software library workspace, I've come into operating systems, and I've come to operating system images. What we're then going to do is we then need to add an operating system image. So I've just right clicked, we'll add an operating system image. Then what we'll do is we'll just browse through to our install.wim file. So we'll select our browse button. And what we want to do here is we just want to specify the image itself. And what I've specified here is / /loncfg. I've got a share called software. Within there I've got Windows 8 1, RTM, sources, and install.wim, and we'll select next. That brings us into our general page. On our general page, all we're going to do here is we'll get rid of the enterprise evaluation bit off the end of it, and I'll just call this Windows 8.1. We'll then select next. Just on the summary page, we'll have a quick look through this and select next. As you can see, the operating system image wizard is completed successfully, so we'll select close. We'll then highlight the Windows 8.1 image. We'll just right click and we'll just come to the properties. On the properties on the general page, it's just the general information. If we look at the images, we have the images in place here, so we can see all the information relating to that. If we have a look at data sources, we can see the information for the data source. If we look at data access, we've got information for the data access. So we've got our package share settings, so we can copy the content in this package to a package share on a distribution point. What we've also got as well is disconnect users from distribution points down at the bottom as well. On our distributing settings, what we have at this point here is we have distribution priority is medium. We can distribute the content for preferred distribution points, and we've got specified the behavior. So we've got automatically download the content when packages are assigned to distribution points, download only content changes from the distribution point or to the distribution point, and manually copy the content in this package to the distribution point, and allow this package to be transferred via multicast WinPE only. So what we're going to do at this point, we are going to turn on that little tick box. We're not going to encrypt the data. We're not going to say transfer this package only via multicast. Just on the servicing tab, what we have here is we've got any servicing schedules, any installed updates. We have various content locations for the package, and security, who can manage all of this. Once we've modified everything, we just select OK. Then what we need to do is, once we've modified this, we then need to distribute the content. So we right click, and then what we'll do at this point here is we'll distribute the content. That brings us into a wizard. So Windows 8.1 is what we're going to distribute. Content destination in my case will be my distribution point, and that will be my loncfg server, and select OK. Then we'll select our next button. Select our next button. It says here the wizard is completed successfully, so we'll select close. Then what we'll do is we'll just leave this, and what we want to see eventually is a green blob sitting down in the middle here. So all we'll do is we'll just do a quick refresh. So we'll right click and we'll do a refresh. And what we can see, it's currently in progress. So what we'll do at this point is we'll just pause the demonstration, return back in a few minutes, and what we should see is we should see that as a green blob. Thank you. So what we can see now is we've got our green pie chart, and successfully we have distributed this content. And that is the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.